Hi guys, welcome back to another fun makeup video with MyGlamm. In this video, I'll be creating no foundation, fresh and dewy makeup look for you. It's super easy, super fun, so grab your brushes and follow along. That was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Do try out this look and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, do let us know what other looks you guys would want us to create. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm. Bye!